Hello and welcome back to my channel. I haven't really sat down and shared a haul video for a long time, so I kind of thought it would be fun just to sit down with you all and show you some new exciting things that I did find at Dollar Tree. Make sure you are subscribed and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is some of this beautiful spring floral that everybody is talking about right now. They had three different kinds, some with the little yellow berries, and some with this purple and greenery. I love this. I think this is so nice, and this will go with our farmhouse decor. So good. They also had some that has a little bit of these hanging floral pieces on there. I don't know if it's really focusing in on the camera. I see a lot of dust flying around, but this is just called Greenery Bouquet, and I'm pretty sure this is just in with the Easter spring stuff, but I thought this was beautiful. This is like $10 worth of floral, but I thought this was so pretty. I could not leave it, and I know at the Dollar Tree if you don't hurry up and get it, then it is gone, so I did want to stock up on this. Also in the floral section, I got these 2 bags of grass, I guess it is. I'm not even going to try to say that word, but I thought these were really nice. It's like not the moss that's really short, but it's like long grass, so I can use this with some Easter decor. I haven't even planned out my Easter DIYs yet, so I've got to get on that. Behind me, I do want to mention, I did just do a DIY. It was a Target dollar spot DIY, and you all loved this, so I was so excited about that. Thank you all so much for all your sweet, sweet comments that you really liked that, so I was so happy about that. I did get this new tray from Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck some little, actually it's got a couple little Christmas ornaments on it. That little milk can was with the Hobby Lobby Christmas, and then there's a little windmill from Hobby Lobby in the Christmas ornament section, and then the succulent is from Dollar Tree, the little candle is from Kohl's, and the lantern, I think you can pick that up at Walmart, so I'm not 100% sure, but you can find those small little lanterns everywhere in like the wedding section. Okay, so now back to my Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a ton more of these canvases. You all know that I made a DIY with these by cutting the canvas off of it, making some little farmhouse signs. If you haven't already seen that, go check it out. And so I did have to pick up some more. I also made something using several of these, and that will be up Friday, I think. So make sure that you are subscribed with your notification bell on so you can check that out as well. So I did get quite a few of those just because I'm so excited. I got so inspired by my own video cutting that off that, I don't know, a million things come to my mind that I could do with that real wood from Dollar Tree. Speaking of canvases, I also picked up this little mini one. This says 4x6, but I thought this would also be really neat to cut the canvas off and use the wood as something else. I got several of these. I don't know where they're at this second. You all know I have little toddlers, so usually everything is scattered everywhere. Also, by the floral stuff, I just picked up this little planner. I thought this would be really cute. I haven't ever used anything like this before, so I do want to try to make a DIY out of that. I've used the galvanized ones that are longer like that. They also had these little squatty galvanized tins. I love these. I got 3 of them. Whenever I see cute ones like this, I'm just like, yes, get a ton of them, because I know they will not last long. But I love the little squatty ones just because last year they were the taller ones, and then you really had to put more styrofoam down in the bottom, but I think this would be really cute to use on some DIYs. I know everybody's talking about their succulents. I didn't think that I'd have to show you all of them. I spent like $6 on them, I think. I got 3 of these each, but I'm not sure what I'll do with these. I don't know if I used many succulents last year. I can't remember. I need to go look. But I do like having them on hand. As far as my Dollar Tree, I think these are a new item. These are just little pearls. They have the hole in them so you could string them on a string. But I thought this would be really neat to incorporate into Easter DIYs, especially if you wanted to really dress it up and maybe look like shabby chic or really girly. But I thought these would be really cute for something. I don't know yet. So next I picked up this little Make It Happen, and this is plastic. I don't really like purchasing things that are plastic because I can't really sand it down or use it, but I thought that I would pick this up just in case I came up with something to use it for. I'm not sure. If y'all have any ideas with anything I show you today, leave it in the comments down below. I actually want to start incorporating your ideas in some videos, and actually Friday, this video that is coming up, a lot of you have asked me to do this and I've just been putting it off, but I finally made it, so make sure you are subscribed so you can see that. They had some really cute candles. I picked up a tiny little mason jar candle that was brown, a brown candle inside of it, and it was so cute. I loved it. I can't find it. I don't know, it's somewhere. But I also found this little marble looking candle. I thought it was really cute. If you turn it around, it says cozy sweater, and it smells really good too. But I pretty much bought it just because it was marble. I also picked up some little antibacterial wipes. I thought that was really cheap, $1 for 20 antibacterial wipes. That would be good to throw in your purse or your diaper bag. So believe it or not, I got so excited in the crafting section, and I picked up some more little craft sticks. I like the ones at Walmart because they're really wide and you can do like bigger projects with these, but it is always good to have these smaller ones on hand whenever you're trying to put together like some signs or something. I also saw these in the wood little section of crafts, but it's just these butterflies, and you get 10 of these. I thought these were really pretty, and I got 2 packs of those, and then I also got this little flower wood shape, but I thought these were really neat. I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do with these, but I don't know if it's going to work out, so stay tuned for that. And then my Dollar Tree got the wooden letters for a few weeks, and I was able to get a few, but they are long gone. They did restock the little wooden letters, so I did pick up an extra one of these, but I don't use these as much as I have the letters. I had a lot of good response from my little lock and key, and the key was made from a letter F, and a lot of people seem to like that, so thank you for all the sweet comments on that one as well. And I'll try to link all these videos that I'm talking about down below, so go check them out down there. My oldest little girl asked for these colored little glue sticks. They're like glitter sticks, and they're supposed to melt in your hot glue gun. She has a Cool Tool, which is the Cool to Touch hot glue gun. I'm not sure that these will melt right in there, so I might have to put these in mine, but I am excited to try these out. And every single time I'm in there, I pick up a ton of more burlap ribbon so I can add bows to everything. And then in the little floral rock section, I picked up these large little gems, and I'm not sure what I'll do with these. These are really big, and I haven't really seen anybody use these, so let me know if you have any ideas for these great big rocks. I am excited to try something out with those. One of the last things that I got was this decal, and it says Hello World. And it's got these little floral roses on there. I'm not sure what I'll do with that, but I thought this was such beautiful colors, I couldn't pass it up. And I think I've seen this in there before. I just didn't really know what to do with it, but then I just didn't want them to sell out before I got to try it out. But I think that is everything that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Thank you all so much for watching. Like I say, make sure you subscribe so you can see what I do with all this stuff. And I'll try to link all those videos that I talked about down below. But once again, thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!